Big news, everyone! Starting November 10th, Mr. Worker will host exclusive Black Friday offers dedicated to Gedore. Gedore is a century-old German toolmaker, founded in 1919 and still family-owned today. It's respected worldwide for precision, durability, and a very broad product range. This November, get Gedore's premium quality tools at special Black Friday pricing on Mr. Worker. The ideal time to invest in professional gear. On Mr. Worker, you'll find Gedore's extensive catalog. More than 18,000 products covering ratchets and sockets, set assortments, torque wrenches, workshop equipment, key sets, and more. Whether you need spanners and socket sets, precision torque tools, workshop trolleys, or custom toolkits, we've got you covered. All included in our Black Friday deals at great discounts. Don't miss this opportunity. Starting November 10th, explore these and many more Gedore Black Friday offers on Mr. Worker. Choose reliability. Choose performance. Choose Gedore.